Daddy? Daddy, there's a big storm, Daddy.
Oh no,
Daddy?
I'm next.
Daddy? Do you hear that wind, Daddy? Do you hear that wind, Daddy? Guys, I'm too fat to get blown away. Yeah, me too.
Guys, we gotta ask this.
No, we're scared. Yeah, we're scared. No, guys, I'm too fat to get blown away. Yeah, me either. I'm gonna save you. See, where are you guys?
Guys, you're gonna get.
Hi, guys. Oh, it's the prime truck.
I'm gonna go back inside.
You can go back inside. I'm staying out here.
Okay, where's the guy for phobia?
I don't know what that is, but okay.
Come on, Mark, let's go now. Come on, Jeffy, let's go.
Panda? Yeah? How come you got blown over? I don't know. I'm fat.
Oh, wait, why were you doing fast food?
Oh no, guys! It's here, guys! The storm is arriving!
Go on, Corey, get back in.
No! Sorry, guys, you got my heart always fell down, so. God, just us, guys. Just us. Well, the thing is that we're allowed to sit here on the storm. And even sure it's a good idea. Why? It could get struck by lightning. Or it might even rain. It's not gonna rain. Oh my God. There's a big storm, guys. Yeah, I know. We'll all be outside. We should probably go under the porch. Peter? Oh no. I feel the wind. Let's go there. Dude, if we die, Pen, you're gonna be okay. We're full like it's gonna get stuck. We're not gonna get. I'm joking. Who's that? Yeah, you scram. Oh, get kid on me today. Unless it's somebody that thought this was a real road. The second we hear thunder, I'm running inside like a big fat panda. Guys, I'm getting blown. Yeah, me too, I'm getting blown. Well, the sun shines, that's a good sign. Ah, cowards! Jeffy, don't you dare leave us out here. I think that was thunder. Or lightning. I hear wind. In all my years, I've never been caught in a big storm. We're surrounded by clouds of water, probably, or snow. Not snow. I see snowflakes. Frick, here it comes again. More snow out of my pocket. Yeah, more snow. I want to be outside the snow. I'm a panda, but well, actually, I would actually make sense. I would kind of actually be used to it because I live in the South Pole. So, but still, it's snowing a little bit. It was snowing before.